Hey guys, okay, so with the USS Arizona from Chuanyu models coming out, it is causing customers of ours to look into the brand and see the other things they offer. So now I'm getting questions about their other model kit, the USS Smith DD-17. So I figured why not come back here and do a quick video to show you what is included in this box. So let's get started with this. All right, so just like their Arizona, you're going to get a very nice, what I would call premium box, very thick, full color. It's kind of neat. The name of the ship is in a gold, some sort of gold embossed flake kind of thing. Looks nice and shiny. The box is otherwise a flat matte finish. Looks nice. And you know, I keep calling this Chuanyu. I don't know how to say that in Chinese, but you'll notice on the box DaLiGeJian model, I think that might be how you say it, which I think translates to some kind of sword or something, and their logo is a shark. So Chuanyu, DaLiGeJian models, whatever this is all the same brand that we're talking about here. So this is their DD-17 Smith, and just like the Arizona, it is a multimedia kit. You're going to get 2 plastic sprues. This is their hull, and this is your other plastic sprue that you're going to get. So obviously this is a much smaller ship than the Battleship Arizona, so not near as much going on here, but still you get a lot of goodies. You're going to get a photo etch fret that's got your rails and several of your other items that you would expect to be in photo etch. You're going to get 3D printed parts, just like you saw with the Arizona. So they've again come in this little protecting thing that you cut away to be able to access the parts, but very nice parts inside of those. You get 3 I guess we'll call them sprues of 3D printed resin parts. Of course, your decals for your flags. You're going to get, just like we talked about with the Arizona's wood deck. Obviously this does not have a wood deck, but you are still getting these deck masks to help you paint your deck, because on a ship like this, of course, your horizontal surfaces are different color than your vertical surfaces. So a deck mask like this is going to make it much easier to paint, especially when you're using an airbrush. You're going to get a lot of turned brass parts, barrels, all sorts of stuff. I mean, you got, what's this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 different bags full of little itty bitty brass turned parts. You got another photo etch for the main photo etch fret is going to be brass. Then you're getting a stainless sheet as well, and then of course the the instructions are a full color instruction. You get a nice layout. This is a better view of all those little brass turn parts, so you get an idea of what you're getting. But all sorts of good stuff in here. It should be a relatively quick, simple build. I mean, this is certainly still not for a beginner model, being the multimedia and all the stuff, but as compared to their Arizona, this will be a much quicker project. So if you want to jump into a multimedia kit like this and get some experience using plastic and resin and photo etch and brass and all these different things in the same kit, and you know, get some bench time for something like this before you tackle their Arizona kit, this would be a very nice introduction into a multimedia ship model kit like this. So these are available now, and will be until we sell out, and we'll figure out if we'll be able to get more after that. But check it out, USS Smith DD-17 multimedia kit. Grab one while you can.